Are you thinking about starting a business in Florida? Imagine establishing a secure foundation for your future. Forming a Florida LLC is the key. Protect your assets, reap tax benefits, and build credibility effortlessly. Setting up an LLC in Florida has never been easier. File Forms simplifies the entire process, making it accessible for new entrepreneurs, investors, and established business owners alike. Florida LLCs offer major advantages. First, enjoy limited liability protection that separates your personal assets from business risks. Second, benefit from pass-through taxation to simplify your finances. Lastly, enhance your business credibility with an official LLC status. What sets File Forms apart? We provide step-by-step guidance and time-saving automation. With our registered agent service, you'll stay compliant without the hassle. Let's walk through the simple steps. Choose a unique name for your LLC. Appoint a registered agent with a Florida address. Next, file your articles of organization with our help, simplifying form completion and submission. Although not mandatory, consider creating an operating agreement to clarify roles. Secure your IN from the IRS for tax purposes, and stay compliant with annual reports. Picture this, a future where your personal assets remain unfettered. Your LLC gives you the freedom to grow your business and explore new opportunities. Remember, forming an LLC in Florida is affordable. With just $125 in initial fees, you're on your way to official status. Maintain that status with a $138.75 annual report fee. Ready to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey? File Forms is here to help you every step of the way. Click the link below to simplify forming your Florida LLC today.